You want to create videos your audience loves, right? Videos that grab attention, spark engagement, and keep those views climbing. Here's the secret sauce: data analytics. It's not just for tech wizards anymore. Data is your secret weapon to understand what makes your audience tick. Think of it like this. Data gives you superpowers. You can see what's working, what's falling flat, and most importantly, why. No more guessing games, no more throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. With data, you're making informed decisions, not shots in the dark. It's about understanding your audience better than they understand themselves, what they watch, when they watch, and how long they stick around. It's all there in the data. So, are you ready to unlock the power of data and create videos that absolutely crush it? Let's dive in. Video marketing mastery. Section 4, keep them hooked. Understanding audience retention. Ever watched a video that just lost you halfway through? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where audience retention comes in. It tells you how well you're keeping your viewers engaged from start to finish. A high retention rate means your content is captivating. People are glued to their screens, eager to see what happens next. On the other hand, a drop-off in viewers at a specific point signals a red flag. It means something isn't working. Maybe the pacing is off or the content is irrelevant. By analyzing audience retention, you can pinpoint those weak spots and make the necessary adjustments. Cut out the fluff, tighten up the pacing, and keep your content laser-focused on delivering value to your viewers. Remember, every second counts when it comes to holding their attention. Section 5. Watch time is king. Tips to keep them engaged. Let's face it, in the world of video content, watch time reigns supreme. It's the holy grail of engagement metrics. The longer people watch, the more your message sinks in, and the higher the chances of conversions, shares, and all that good stuff. So, how do you boost watch time and keep those eyeballs glued to the screen? Here are a few tips. Start strong. Hook your viewers from the very first frame. Start with a bold statement, an intriguing question, or captivating visuals. Tell a story. People connect with stories. Weave a narrative that keeps them invested in the outcome. Keep it concise. No one wants to watch a rambling, unedited video. Get to the point and deliver value quickly. Add value. Provide information, entertainment, or inspiration. Give your viewers a reason to stick around. End with a call to action. Tell them what you want them to do next. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Remember, watch time is a testament to the quality of your content. Section 6. Actionable insights. Using data to level up your content. Now that you're swimming in data, it's time to turn those numbers into actionable insights. This is where the magic happens, where you transform raw data into a recipe for video marketing success. Identify your top-performing content. Which videos have the highest views, watch time, and engagement? Analyze what worked well and replicate those elements in future content. Understand your audience's preferences. Use demographic data and audience retention metrics to understand what resonates with your viewers. Tailor your content strategy accordingly. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to try new things based on your data insights. Test different video formats, topics, and styles to see what performs best. Optimize for search. Use data to identify relevant keywords and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search visibility. Data is a powerful tool, but it's up to you to wield it effectively. Section 7, Data-Driven Video, Your Path to Success. In the ever-evolving landscape of video marketing, data is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the key to unlocking your audience's hearts, minds, and most importantly, their attention. Embrace the power of data analytics. Dive deep into the metrics, understand what they're telling you, and use those insights to craft videos that truly resonate. Remember, it's not about chasing vanity metrics like views alone. It's about creating content that connects, engages, and inspires. So go forth, armed with the power of data, and create videos that not only get seen, but also leave a lasting impact on your audience. Your future self will thank you for it. And hey, your viewers will too.